Revolutionize your business with cutting-edge vending machines. From frozen feasts to fresh flowers, smart hamburgers, gumballs, pizzas, and cashless wonders. And explore endless possibilities for small business success. Number 6. Happy Workers. Automatically frozen food ice cream vending machine. We are introducing our Frozen Feast Delight, a state-of-the-art frozen food vending machine that stands at 1,000 millis, a DW, x 910 mm, D x 1,960 mm, weighing around 350 kilo and boasting a rated power of 1,800 W. This machine is a powerhouse for your frozen cravings. With 5 customizable trays, a 55-inch 4K touchscreen, and multiple payment options, it's not just a vending machine, it's a frozen feast experience. From seafood to ice cream, our machine offers a variety of prepackaged frozen delights. Easily manage it through our user-friendly platform, accessible via mobile app and web. Number 5. Smart Cooling Locker Vending Machine. Fresh flower vending machine with refrigeration and humidification. With a sleek half-round shape and 30 customizable lockers, this machine is equipped with a 4G/Wi-Fi enabled Android system. Perfect for vending fresh flowers, plants, and various products like fresh food, meat, fruit, cakes, and desserts. Its cooling and humidification system ensures an optimal temperature of 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. The 21.5-inch touchscreen interface supports various payment options, and with remote control capabilities via our cloud management system, you can effortlessly handle advertising, inventory, and sales monitoring. Compact, stylish, and efficient, our cooling locker vending machine is the future of intelligent vending. Number 4. Smart Hamburger Vending Machine Fast Food Vending Machine Chicken. Vending Machine China Factory Price. Packed with modern features, this vending machine offers a seamless experience. The 32 inches touchscreen promotes the menu and provides easy operation through a cloud platform management system. Accepting various payment methods like coins, bills, and credit cards, this machine ensures convenience for all users. With a storage capacity for 54 hamburgers, the adjustable temperature control keeps your favorite treats fresh. Utilizing a patent commercial microwave oven, the heating system delivers a perfectly cooked hamburger in just 45 seconds. The pushrod delivery mechanism ensures quick and efficient service, with a sterilization process using ozone and ultraviolet for added hygiene. With customizable configurations for up to 27 different food types, prices, and heating times, this vending machine is a versatile and reliable choice. Number 3. Bubble Chewing Gum Vending Machine for Small Business Ideas. Meet the Dear Gumball Vending Machine, a delightful addition to any space specially designed for kids' enjoyment. Standing at a compact 303051 cm, this charming vending machine comes in various colors like white, black, red, blue, orange, green, and pink. Crafted from durable metal and plastic, it guarantees a MOQ of just 1 piece, making it a perfect choice for personal or commercial use. With a capacity of 300 delightful treats, it operates with ease, utilizing a coin-operated system. The machine is visually appealing and certified with a CE certificate, ensuring a year-long warranty and comprehensive after-sales services. Number 2. New Business Ideas Vending Machines Fast Food Distributor Pizza QR Code Outdoor Kiosk Pizza Vending Machine. This innovative machine accepts various payment methods, including Alipay, WeChat, Cloud Quick Pass, cash, coins, credit card, and face scan technology. Powered with a standby power 680 W and an operating power of 2,800 W, it features a state-of-the-art oven with a 6-pipe heat balance system for quick and efficient pizza production. The 55-inch large touchscreen offers a user-friendly interface, while the refrigerated temperature control mode keeps pizzas fresh between 5 degrees Celsius, 25 degrees Celsius. Stay connected with standard Wi-Fi, hotspot wireless, or wired connections, and even enjoy custom clearance games with exciting rewards. With its QR code convenience, this outdoor pizza vending machine is more than just a meal. Number 1. Vending Machine Small Business Machine Ideas Slim Cashless Vending Machine. With QR code for Southeast Asia. This smart vending machine comes equipped with a built-in intelligent coin changer, ensuring hassle-free transactions with automatic change dispensing. The luxurious waterproof steel cabinet features an open front door for safety and easy installation, promising durability. Using advanced RO purification technology with 9 levels of adequate water treatment, the machine provides water that meets national standards. Billing accuracy, controlled by intelligent coin, induction IC card, and note selling technology, reaches an impressive 0.01 yuan. With features like closed filling rooms for ozone sterilization, 24-hour uninterrupted UV sterilization, and advanced digital control, this vending machine guarantees high-quality water and a seamless vending experience. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit the like button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your support means a lot to us. Take care until the next one, and feel free to drop a comment sharing your thoughts. See you soon.